In this video, we will install the fuse box. Slide the ECM into the fuse box housing and plug in the large connectors. The connectors in ECM may look different depending on your donor. If you're using an automatic powertrain, you can install the TCM now too. Place the fuse box on top of the multi-plugs and press down until it clicks into place. Tighten the 5 multi-plug bolts with a 7mm socket. Make sure they're fully tightened so the plugs lift into the fuse box. Install the power steering connector in the fuse box. Find the fuel pump wire and plug it into the fuel pump. Your fuel pump connector might be black depending on your donor. Route the large positive cable as shown. Remove the positive post from the fuse box and install the cable under it. Tighten with a 10mm wrench, being careful not to bend or break the post. Install the fuse box cover and the positive post cover.